Hello everyone, my name is Nimra Raman and in today's video I am going to demonstrate and explain my project question generation which is part of my subject artificial intelligence. And the question generation project is a major part of my project question paper generator and which is named as QuestGraph. Currently you are seeing the UI of my project question paper generation named as QuestGraph. So in this, I have integrated question generation. So why I need question generation? So in this question paper generation, I am facing the difficulty to manually add the question. So I have come up with the solution with the help of AI algorithm of using NLP and Bert T5 pre-trained model to generate the question based on the text provided by the user. So I just need to provide the text and the question will be generated. How? Let's see this. So here you can manage the subject, by here you can manage the unit, and by clicking here you can manage the question. So for that you need to select the subject, select the unit, and select the question. Select the question which you need to enter. Here I have two options. Like you can add a question manually by clicking on this add question, and you can generate it through AI by clicking add question by AI. So I have already copied the text and I am just pasting it here. So by clicking on this generate question button, it will generate the question with the help of AI. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Here the question is generated, as you can see. So here there are questions generated. So here user can select the question by just clicking on the question. Let's say I need to select these three questions. So by clicking on the checkbox, the question will be selected, and for that I need to enter the mask. And also the another functionality of this project is that it has a difficulty level also for all the questions. Currently the difficulty level for all the questions are hard because the computational power because I have constraint for the computational power. Yeah, in Colab I have run this particular code and it is running perfectly by providing by categorizing the question with the difficulty levels. So here you can see the code which I have done in the Colab. So here you can see that the difficulty level for each question has been defined like medium, low, high, and etc. So the it will categorize the question into three levels. So by inputting the inputting the marks for each question, the question will by clicking on the add question, the question will be added to the database. So how this code is working? Let's see this. So here is the whole code that is running. There is running in the backend. So here first I will import all the libraries which is necessary, and the I have created a class subjective text. So what it will do is it will with the help of NLP it will extract the noun from the text by dividing into the sentences. So it will divide a text. It will divide the text according to the sentence. Like if we are having a huge text, then it will generate a small part of that particular paragraph, and from that particular sentence, it will extract the main noun from that particular sentence, and it will generate the question with with the help of that noun. So here is the whole code by which by using NLP the question is generated. And here is the second class I have created which uses the Bert T5 pre-trained algorithm to generate the question. So here we need to just provide the max length and we need to just provide the text by which so it will generate the question. So how are we categorizing the question based on the difficulty? So this function what does it? It will take the input a sentence and it will tokenize and lematize it. So the stop words and the punctuation and the special character are also to be removed, and this function calculate the joint probability. Now to categorize that particular question, we need to calculate the joint probability, and I have used an algorithm of mutual information. I have used a technique of mutual information. So to calculate the mutual information, we require the joint probability. So this function calculates the joint probability between the word present in the question and between all the words present in the paragraph, a context which we are providing. So it will calculate the joint probability of all the words present in the question with respect to all the words present in the paragraph. So this function does that. Now this function compute the mutual information. So this function follow the formula of the mutual information, which is the joint probability divided by the which is the summation of the joint probability divided by the marginal probability of the question and marginal probability of the paragraph. So marginal probability will be also calculated by this particular function. So this will calculate the mutual information, and based on the mutual information range, like suppose we get the range from 1 to 3. So it will categorize that particular range into three parts. The first part, which consists of lower information, it will categorize them into easy and respectively hard and medium for the second and third part. And now I have appended the particular question generated by the subjective test and generated by the E2QE pipeline and combine them in the one list. So this is how whole algorithm works and the question is generated. And also this UI is in React, and I have integrated the particular Python code in. I have integrated the particular Python code here with the help of Flask. So thank you for listening me and have a great day.